Ally Bank Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how online banking has evolved in 2025. Ally Bank offers a fully digital banking experience with competitive rates, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming full-service banks require in-person branches. Ally operates entirely online, meaning you can manage checking, saving, and investment accounts from your phone or computer anytime, anywhere. One major advantage is high interest rates. You won't believe what happens next when you see Ally's high-yield savings accounts often beat traditional banks, allowing your money to grow faster. Their money market and CDs also offer competitive returns, making them ideal for long-term savings. Ally's customer service is another highlight. Available via phone, chat or email, support is helpful and responsive, which is crucial for resolving issues quickly. Their user-friendly app lets you deposit checks, transfer funds, pay bills and track budgets seamlessly. However, there are cons. The lack of physical branches may be a drawback if you prefer in-person banking. While apps are widely reimbursed, some specialized services like cash handling for large deposits can be inconvenient. Additionally, some users report occasional app glitches or delays in posting transfers. In conclusion, Ally Bank in 2025 is ideal for tech-savvy individuals seeking high-interest accounts and fully digital banking. While the absence of physical branches and occasional app hiccups are considerations, the competitive rates, convenience, and strong customer support make Ally a compelling choice for modern banking.